Hey guys, it's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, showing off some of the fun things you can do with the drone. I have a DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I would highly recommend getting one of these drones. I've got a couple Amazon affiliate links down here you guys can check out. But let's get to it and kind of show you what we were doing here. I was just trying to get some footage of the park that we were in. It was a really, really beautiful park, and then boom, we got so lucky. There was just this big herd of deer just running. Look at them. I mean, there's at least 10 of them there. So I'm trying to figure out which way to go, which way to chase. There's like two groups that broke off. And they would stop, look at the drone, run, stop, look at the drone, run. They were very, very curious about the drone for sure. I mean, look at that. I'm running right next to him here. This park was just gorgeous. Look at this guy. He's not scared. He's not standing back. Look at him. He is just so curious about what's going on. Oh, out of there. And I just hung out with him for a little while here. Very curious about what that drone is, and you know, it seemed like a couple times they just kind of got used to it. That one right there, he is so curious. Everybody's so curious about what that thing is. And I just creeped into him. Look at them all. They do that like stand off and run thing. Like, I'm fast, boy. All those little whitetails. The camera on this DJI Mavic 3 Classic, it is a great camera for the value. I really, really love it. I mean, we're gonna zoom right in here. Look at that. Great quality picture. There's little ears. Just looking at me. And this kind of goes to show that the noise is not incredibly bad with this drone as well either. So the noise is totally doable. I mean, if it was really, really loud, these guys would be all over the place, but it's loud enough just to make them a little bit curious about what that noise is. And I'm just creeping along with them. There we are, guys. They're gonna run back into their little forest area. There they go. And that is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Just one of the cool things you can do with the drone. I would highly recommend getting one. They're so much fun to have, and there's so many things you can do with them. But guys, this is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Check out a DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I'll see you guys next time.